In this video, I'm going to show you the best indicator that works very well in Forex, crypto, and the stock market. And I'm going to review the market update just using this indicator. The name of the indicator is the market turning points that you can see in the levels. Okay, right now, as you can see, that Bitcoin has received the rejection from here on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so it has already been rejected, and our proper support level that is available here, is available at 82,530. Okay, and right now, if it breaks this level, that is 84,500, then it can target the proper selling level that is available at 86,350. Okay, so right now, if we talk about the trend line, if we make a trend line from here to here, so you can see that already the Bitcoin USDT 5 minute 15-minute chart has turned to be into the bullish pattern. Okay, so there are most chances that it can break the 84,400 area, and it can target the upper side that is available at 86,000. However, the break, if it goes below, then it can target the bottom level, that is 81,798. Okay, so first of all, guys, how you can book the lifetime version of this indicator? That's very simple. You can contact through our Telegram channel, you can contact through our email. The links are given in the description of this video below. Okay, similarly, if we look at the other cryptos today, and they were on the weak side, and you can see the filter trend was bearish on the higher time frame, especially the 4 hour, and we have seen the straightforward rejections, and you can see the market is completely down on the crypto. If we go to the Peppy chart, then you can see it was rejected to the from the selling opportunity level, and it is about to target the buying level that is on the lower side. Okay, similarly, SUI USDT is on the downside, and XRP has already received a rejection, but from the buying level, buy opportunity level. But however, the trend is bullish right now, so let's hope for the best. And if it wants to go up, then the proper level is staying at 2.4200. Okay, so similarly, this indicator works very well in stocks. Whatever you trade, it works very well. I'm just going to show you the gold chart, and mostly you can see the gold market remained bullish, and it has touched the 3000 level on that time, when we talk about the Friday trading. So now you can see the higher time frames are bullish as well, but again, we can simply see that if the price breaks the lower level that is available here, okay, the green level, then it can also go to target the lower level. Otherwise, for right now, the situation that is on gold, it's completely bullish. If we talk about the Euro USD, okay, so Euro USD has received a rejection from the sell opportunity levels. However, the trend is bullish, but again, guys, there are three levels that are very strong bearish. So I personally believe that Euro USD can have a downward pressure from that area. So simply, if you want to use this indicator, and you want to see that indicator on charts, and then you can book the lifetime version of these indicators, either the filter trend or either the market turning points, from our Telegram channel, or you can email us. The links are given in the description of this video. Thank you very much.